So quick video today just on how to add some windshield washer fluid to your car. I know people are going to say that's too simple to make a video for, but honestly when I first started getting into fixing stuff, I looked up all sorts of stuff that I now look back and say that was kind of basic. So hopefully this video is helpful to some of you. Again, just because sometimes doing things yourself is just a rewarding feeling in and of itself. So today we're just going to do a short video on how to add washer fluid to your Jeep or basically any vehicle. So basically the only thing you really need to know is what, the type of washer fluid you want to use. Usually they'll tell you how cold they can withstand. You can use water. Water freezes at 32 degrees and a lot of places usually get colder than that. So, and that can crack your reservoir or the lines that go to the spray nozzles. So honestly, something like this where I'm living, where it can withstand up to 0 degrees protection, that's great. Sometimes they even go down to negative 32, but ultimately it's your call just on where you live. Usually the owner's manual won't tell you how much your reservoir takes. So honestly, I just get a full jug like this. Good to keep on hand because it lasts forever. So with that said, let's jump into this. All right, coming to the driver's side, I'll look for the hood latch. So right there you can see underneath right next to the e-brake, emergency brake. Just pull this to pop the hood, and now we can add the washer fluid. All right, so now with the hood latch popped, put your hand underneath the Jeep insignia between the grill here and the hood. And you'll feel a lever. You'll hear the lever too. Swipe it to the left, and then that will give us access to inside the engine and inside the bay here. All right, so now that we have access to inside here underneath the hood, we're looking for the washer fluid compartment, and as you can see, we're looking for right there. So it's just that thing that looks like a windshield with fluid being squirted onto it. So there you go. And now we'll just add fluid, and it's as simple as that. All right, so now just to get access to the fluid compartment, just flick up the cap here, and then all we need to do is take our washer fluid, open it up. Usually you got to push down, pull that up, puncture the cap here, and then pour away. I know I'm going to make a mess, so I'm going to go grab a funnel. All right, so put our funnel in and just pour away until we see that level reach the top. So mine was pretty empty, and as you can see, I used a little bit more than half of this. So definitely get some to just keep on hand, because especially if you live in a dusty area, it's nice to have that washer fluid to keep your windshield somewhat cleaned off. And we'll just take that out and then just seal the cap. That's it. That's how you top off the washer fluid in your car. Super simple, only a couple bucks. Just keep in mind the protection level you want for the washer fluid, and you're good to go. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, give it a like. Check out my other automotive videos that I'll put in the top right corner of the screen, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. So there you go. As you can see, there's the washer fluid. Just thought I'd show you. You can go all the way to the brim, honestly. It doesn't really matter. But just a good idea to keep an eye on this, especially if you're using your washer fluid frequently. And if for some reason you can't see the washer fluid, a trick that I learned a long time ago that I like to use whenever I'm looking at any fluid in a clear reservoir like this, you can take your light and actually flash it behind to see the level more easily. So as you can see, the level is right there. Obviously that's not too hard to see, but maybe something like coolant might be a little bit harder to see. Now look how easy it is to see that line. So just a helpful tip in case you want to check your fluid levels in general.